Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Breitling Premier B01 Chronograph, reference AB0118221G1A1 in stainless steel with a white dial chronograph. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of the Premier, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Breitling Premiers, then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's just start with a tiny overview. The Premier had a big relaunch in 2018. They've been making the Premier for quite some time before that, but the modern Premier, the one that you're looking at right here, had a refresh and looks the way it looks like now in 2018. And then later on down the years, they added some more variations to it, which are pretty nice. And I can't go through all of them, but of course you can go to jazztime.com and take a look at some of those. They make it in different dial colors and etc. Which brings me to the next topic, which is where it stands in the lineup of other similar Premiers. Now the Premier, they have, at least as of 2026, they have 28 different Premier options on their website. And this was probably one of the cheaper ones because it's in stainless steel. It does have a bracelet on it. So some of the other ones, most of them have just a leather strap on it. It's more of kind of their dress watch. So it is a little bit on the cheaper side, which is a good thing because they make really expensive ones. They even make like ones that are $75,000, which have a tourbillon and some other things on it. But at any rate, yeah. The Premier, this is your basic Premier, and you can actually switch out this strap if you don't like it always on a steel strap. You can always swap it to like a leather strap. Okay, anyways, with that said, it's time to start talking about the watch itself. Actually, I should also say this: the Premier, as you see it here, they don't make this configuration anymore. So yeah, that means if you want this exact, I don't know why they don't, but they don't. So with the white and black, they make another white one with like silver and stuff, but they don't make this exact variation anymore. So maybe they'll bring it back later, but right now, as of 2026, they don't make this variation anymore. So that means if you want to buy it, you got to buy it at jazztime.com. Now it can't be exactly new, but we can get it like new, and this is a good example of what you see right here in this video. Okay, so with that said, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case here is going to be a very nice 42 millimeters, not too thick, not too small, but Breitling is known for kind of being a little bit on the large side, as its thickness is only 13 millimeters. Considering it's a chronograph and it has a date, it's only maybe 1 millimeter thicker than a Rolex Daytona, so it's not bad at all in terms of thickness. And another important factor is the lug to lug. That means the top of the lug to the bottom of the lug. That's the longest distance in a straight line, not a diagonal line across the watch, going from 12 to 6. And that's a really important number because that's how it's going to sit on your wrist. And at 50 millimeters, I would say it's on the larger side, but it's definitely not too large. It's going to fit most men, okay? And it has a really nice, I can't say it's a super nice case, but it is quite a nice case. They have a nice beveled edge here, signature of Breitling, and a high polished top and nice satin finish sides, and also nice modern pushers. It just makes the watch look much more modern with these really nice pushers. Okay, that is the case. Now the bezel, they pretty much did this watch like almost edge to edge, kind of like how AP Audemars Piguet is doing their codes, and that's kind of a new school thing to make the watch go out to the edge or the periphery so they can maximize the dial space and minimize the bezel space, which doesn't really do much. It's a fixed bezel, and it's really thin anyway, so you can't see it. Okay, let's look at the dial. Now this is why you would want to buy this watch, because they do make other Premiers in steel, and they're all around this like $10,000. This watch retail as of 2026 around $10,000, and we're selling for way less than that. So $6,000-7,000 in a like new condition. But what makes this dial watch special is because they don't make this dial anymore. Why? I don't know. I would think that white on black is one of the most popular ones, but now they make it cream. They make it cream with gold accents. They make silver with Arabic numbers and so on, a lot of different variation, but no white on black. I don't know why. It seems like this would be the most logical configuration, but they don't do it anymore. So anyways, yeah, but I do like it with these black subdials for the chronograph, the date at the 6 o'clock. I like all that. And yeah, to me, it just looks very well laid out. And I like the two subdials as opposed to more. It's going to be, as a result though, since it only has two subdials, the left side is going to be a second counter and the right side is going to be the minute counter. What you're missing here is going to be the hour counter. And that's because this is only a 30-minute chronograph. So you can only calculate the time for 30 minutes. Good or bad, that's what it is. Okay. Let's move on here to the strap here. The strap here is a metal bracelet, but as I stated earlier, you can actually change this out if you want to a metal or a leather strap. But it is pretty nice. I think it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 links across, which means that it is very supple and it's gonna form fit to your wrist a lot better than most bracelets. Most bracelets do not have 7 links across. So this is pretty cool. Okay, let's look at the movement here. The movement, surprisingly, it's quite nice. You can see it. The watch retail at the retail price of $10,000. It has a Breitling manufacturer 01 caliber in there, which you can see the movement, which is pretty darn nice. It's not the greatest movement on earth, but it does look nice. It has a nice rotor, says the words Breitling, has a nice finish to it, and you can see the movement, which for most people that's enough. Okay, let's try this watch on and give my thoughts. My thoughts are Breitling, for the price point, right? Their main competitor, I would say, would be like Omega, IWC, something in that level, maybe Panerai. It's a good watch at a reasonable price. I like that it's steel white and easy to read, and it's a nice size. So look, if you like to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.